If you're overwhelmed, frustrated, and sick and tired of the clutter in your life, maybe it's time to do something about it. In this podcast, the most organized man in America, Andrew Mellen, demystifies how to organize your world. Andrew gives you the keys to stop clutter from robbing you of your precious time, freedom, and joy in your life. Here's your host, Andrew Mellen.
Welcome to Declutter Your Life. I'm your host, Andrew Mellen.
Do you think you don't have time to get organized? Think again. It takes no more time to stay organized than it does to make clutter. It's all about decision making. So here are a few easy ways to say no to clutter and yes to organization. The first is to ditch the paper. One of the biggest sources of clutter and stress comes from paper. Bills, mail, magazines, offers, and other important documents take over our homes and offices. To win this war, you've got to fight it daily. Put a trash bin next to your mailbox to immediately throw away any unwanted mail, and place a paper shredder next to your desk to securely discard sensitive documents. Then, assign everyone in your household a cubby for their mail and documents so that nothing gets overlooked. Something in, something out is the third leg of my organizational triangle, and it should be a staple in everybody's home. Whenever you bring something new into the house, like a new magazine, it's time to recycle an old one. Particularly with magazines, catalogs, and newspapers, more than 3 back issues is 3 issues too many. This way you can stay current on the news and still stay organized. Schedule routine cleanup. They're essential to staying organized, so make sure you schedule them in. Whether you clean every day for 15 minutes or once a week for a couple of hours, it's important to incorporate organizing into your schedule so that you always make time for it. Plan ahead. Are you always rushing to get ready in the morning? Then take 15 minutes before you go to bed and lay out everything you'll need for the next day. And if you're frequently surprised when meetings pop up on your schedule, check your calendar first thing in the morning and preemptively block out chunks of time for you to get your work done. Use your electronic calendar to remind you of important events so you're always ready for your next appointment. Getting organized is more than half of the battle. Staying organized takes commitment and routine, but takes very little time when compared to getting organized.
So that's it for today's episode. Be sure to join us here for other episodes of Declutter Your Life. Again, I'm your host, Andrew Mellen. I'll look forward to being with you again real soon.
That's it for today's episode. Head on over to iTunes and subscribe to the show. One lucky person every single week that posts a review on iTunes will win a chance in the grand prize drawing to win a $25,000 private VIP day with Andrew Mellen himself. Be sure to go to declutteryourlifeshow.com and pick up a free copy of Andrew's gift. And join us on the next episodes.